Papa, are you ready?
Hi, this is Korean꾸야 who learn how to cook on internet. Today, I'm gonna make a ramen again. I will give you a most important tip when you cook ramen. I will show you most simplest way to cook ramen. You have to watch this. First, you have to prepare the ramen. Any kind of ramen is fine. When you open this, just cut this side. I'm gonna use this plastic package of ramen for measuring the water. Okay? Like this. Put water here, only half. And when you grab this, like this, is a perfect for your ramen. Okay? Easy, right? With 2 fingers. I will show you. Here's the measuring cup, and I will put water here. Look at this. Look at this. As I already talked to you, I will show you most simplest way to cook ramen. I don't want to use that stove. Yeah, I don't want to use that. And microwave it. During the 2 minutes. After that, microwave this extra 2 minutes more. So it's total 4 minutes, right? If you don't want to add eggs, just microwave 4 minutes. See, noodle is perfect and white part is perfectly cooked, and yolk is how can I say, half boiled. Yeah, I love this. It looks great with your kimchi. Enjoy your ramen. Okay, done, finish. So easy, right? Super easy. Piece of cake. Enjoy your ramen. It was Korean꾸야. Bye bye.